What's good, y'all? It's I am Banks, and I'm back with a new video. Um, so today we're going to be talking about exactly how I turned 1K to 10K in a day. I'm going to be going through the trades that I took and why I took those trades. So that's going to be very important. The why is going to be very important into this video. So if you still don't believe me, for the people who don't, firstly, I don't really, doesn't matter to me, but you can watch the video and you will see exactly how I did it. So, and for those who don't know what I'm talking about, yes, I turned 1K to 10K in a day. It was pretty much under a day, but you can see the video on my YouTube channel. So let's get started with this. So this is the first trade. And for most who don't know, I was trading gold. All the trades I took was on gold. I do trade gbpjpy, but it just happened that it was gold I was trading. So the first trade was a sell. All the trades I took were sells. And I know gold has been rising this past week. It's been going crazy, going up, but what goes up must come down. So I decided I was going to take a sell on gold. And usually when I first start trading, I go on the 4-hour. So you go on a larger time frame just to establish some sort of either trend or reasons for your bias. So I knew gold was always going up. It's been going up for a while. And I knew, okay, we're going to have to come down eventually. So I was waiting for that. I could see right here that there was a resistance on gold. So I decided to draw my resistance zone right here. And I pretty much waited for price to enter into this zone, which it did. And what's very important is waiting for price to reject. If you're looking for sales, it has to reject the zone. So I saw price rejected and closed off this zone. And as soon as this candle right here, this one right here, see if I can zoom in. This candle right here, this one I'm pointing at. As soon as it broke the low right here, that's when I took my first sell. And I was targeting this support area right here. Don't get me wrong. Usually I don't take trades like this, but I was doing a challenge and I decided I was going to enter that sell. So right now I was already in the sell and I dropped down to the 1-hour. And this is what was very important. This is usually how I trade now. So I'm already in a sell, so I dropped down to the 1-hour. And right here, I saw this candle right here. It was breaking the low of this candle. It was breaking the low. As soon as it started breaking the low, I decided I was going to enter a sell. So for those who don't understand, let's see if I can point that out for you. So this candle, I was watching this candle right here. And as soon as it started breaking the low of this candle, that's when I decided I was going to take a sell. Patience is very important in trading. You have to wait. There's no point in just entering a random trade. So as soon as price started breaking the low of this candle, I decided I was going to enter the sell. And I was targeting the same support area right here. The same support area right here is what I was targeting. And I went to sleep and woke up and take profit was hit. And so that was the first trade that was done. So now let's get into the second trade that I took. So I already had my bias. I already took a win from selling gold. So I already had my bias. And my over bias was still sells. So I could see that price was creating a support, a little mini support right here. So that price was creating that, as you can see. And I was like, okay, if price can break the low of this candle right here, this bullish candle, if price can break that, I'll enter a sell, which is exactly what happened. So price started breaking this low. And as soon as price broke that low, that's when I entered the sell. And obviously my stop loss was, usually above the previous candle. And I was targeting, with this one, I was pretty much targeting on 1-to-1. Not really any need for me. I already took a win for the day. So I was like, okay. So I already took a win and there wasn't really any need for me to be greedy. However, this is where the greediness came in. This is pretty much the last push that got me to the 10K. I do not advise trading like this, guys. I don't usually trade like this on a normal, on a daily. I do not trade like this. However, I could see there was a lot of volume in gold. So as soon as this trade closed, I decided I was going to enter another trade. The biggest reason was because of this right here. So price had no wick. It had no wick at the top. Usually when price has no wick at the top, it usually means there's a lot of volume coming in into the market. So I figured that was happening, and that's where I decided I was going to enter another sell position pretty much right here. It was around here I got in the sell, and prices dropped. So this is a risky trade. This was a risky trade, I'll be so honest. But usually, if price would have come up anyway, I would have just gotten out of the trade. But gladly it went my way, and that was how I was able to pretty much turn that small account into a large account. I'll be honest with you guys, it's rare because I've tried flipping accounts before and it's failed. This is just what you guys happen to see that work, which is how most of these videos online, and they just show their wins, they don't really show losses. So I want you guys to know it's not an everyday thing. I won't be able to turn, maybe I could turn 10K to 100K. However, it's not sustainable if I keep trading like that. This was just a very risky move that I was doing. I was risking a lot of money. So I'll be honest with you, you're not going to be able to turn 1K to 10K all the time. It was just a rare occurrence for me. So, and plus I already knew what I was doing. A lot of people don't know what they're doing and they just come and throw £1,000 and they lose it all, which isn't really a surprise. So that's exactly why I took the trades that I took. And if you guys want to see more breakdown videos like this, just feel free to let me know and I will be glad to help. And please show some appreciation and, click the like and subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. Small channel grow. And I will see you guys in the next video, and happy trading.